Hey, good morning. How you doing? It's Damien here at Performance, and I'm here with an introduction video. I wanted to introduce myself as well as show off this new 2023 Jeep Wrangler Sport S. Let's look at it. And so there you have it. There's a look at this brand new Jeep Wrangler. And as you can see all around me, we have a ton of Jeep Wranglers, including behind me, the one that you are soon going to take home. Give me a call. Talk to you soon.